These faceless YouTube channels are getting millions upon millions of views just by posting these videos. If you're wondering how to go viral from scratch quickly, I have the answer. Making quiz videos for YouTube Shorts. Today, I'll show you how to create good quiz shorts in under 5 minutes using AI. This method will help you get thousands of subscribers and lots of views. The first AI tool we'll use is ChatGPT. We'll use it to write our questions and answers. Once you open ChatGPT, type this in. Write a YouTube Shorts script for a quiz video. The quiz should test the audience's knowledge about famous foods around the world. Include 3 levels of difficulty: easy, medium, and hard. For each level, describe a food, provide 3 multiple-choice options, and ask the audience to guess its location. Encourage viewer engagement by asking them to like, subscribe, or comment based on their answers. Use a friendly and energetic tone to keep the audience entertained. It will generate the script for us. We'll copy it to a Google Doc for easy access. Now, over to the video creation. We'll use Fliki for this. To start a new video, click on the New File button. A pop-up will appear where you need to provide project details. Select Video as the file type, enter your file name, and choose the language and accent for your video. Since we're making a YouTube short, set the aspect ratio to portrait. For the Start With option, choose Template. A Select Template option would appear. Click on it, then scroll to the bottom and select this template. Finally, hit Submit. This will take us to the editor where we've a pre-made quiz video template. Now, we'll copy-paste the content from the Google Doc into each relevant layer on the left side. For example, here, I'll copy this line and paste it in the voiceover layer in Scene 1. Let's also rename it to Food Quiz. Now, we'll go back to the Google Doc, copy the voiceover text, and paste it in Scene 2's voiceover layer. Similarly, I'll copy the respective options and replace them with the template options. We'll also need to change this media. We'll go back to the doc. So this is Hainanese chicken rice. We'll copy this and click on the media icon here, paste the text in the stock library, and hit Enter. We'll pick this one, but before selecting this, I'll mark it as favorite. You'll get to know soon why. Let's select this. Now, we'll go back to the doc and copy the voiceover text for the next scene. Since the answer is Singapore, we'll rewrite this here. As for media, click on the media icon. Remember, we marked that media as favorite. We'll go to the Favorites tab and select that. Now, let me do the same steps for the next ones and get back to you after that. I've copied all the content. Now, to add that extra flair to our short, we'll add effects to the scenes. We'll go to the Scene 1, click on Add Layer, then select Effect. An effect layer will be added. We'll click on the effect icon. It will open the Effects selection menu. Here we'll pick this effect and hit Select. We can repeat this step for the other scenes too. After adding effects to all the scenes, here's the final output.
Ready to test your knowledge of famous foods from around the world? Let's see how many you can guess right. First up, the easy round. You've probably heard of this one. This dish is made of fluffy rice, juicy chicken, and often served with a side of chili sauce. It's a national favorite in Southeast Asia. If you guessed Singapore, you're right. It's Singapore's famous Hainanese chicken rice. All right, you've got to think a bit more for this one. This dish consists of masa dough, usually filled with meats, cheeses, or even sweet ingredients, all wrapped in a corn husk and steamed to perfection. If you guessed Mexico, you're right. It's called tamales. Now this one's for the true foodies. This dish is made of ground beef or lamb, cooked with peas, and topped with mashed potatoes, then baked until golden brown. Comment below with your guess and subscribe for more foodie fun.
This surely looks amazing, and the best part, we just created it in a few minutes. Now it's your turn to create viral quiz videos like these and start your YouTube Shorts journey. Wait. Before you go, I want you to give yourself a pat on the back for completing this YouTube Shorts course. As a gesture of appreciation, we've added a special discount code to Fliki that can help you unlock the powerful features of Fliki at a discounted price. So take advantage of that offer and start producing amazing content today. Happy creating, and I can't wait to see what you come up with.